All right, guys, quick update, part 2 on the Convertible 328i. Today's Sunday. I didn't touch it yesterday at all, but I had Friday off work, so I did pretty much all the work on Friday. The only thing I did today was put the hood on. That was it. Because I needed help with that. It's a pretty heavy hood. So I had the wife come out and help me, but I was here by myself Friday, so she was here, she's working, so I just threw the hood on it today and spent probably like an hour lining the gaps up because I'm like OCD with the gaps. But it's pretty much ready to go. I ended up getting a brand new Fender because the one at the salvage yard, they pulled it for me and they broke it in 2 places, taking it off. They didn't tell me. I drove all the way back down there. It was like a 40-minute ride each way. I get there, he hands me the Fender, and I looked at it, I said, hey, it's broke, what happened? And he played dumb, and then he said, well, I'll give you $20 off it. I told him to shove it. I'll never use that yard again. That was my only experience with them. So I just said, screw it, give me a new one. And BMW delivered it. The bumper will be here Tuesday, and that's the only piece wait, no, actually it's not. I'll show you. I got one more. So this little plastic eyebrow that sits on top of the headlight here does not come with your $1,500 headlight. So it's $9. So it's just like, Jesus, another thing I got to order and wait on. I did put the valve cover on, the used one. I cleaned it up, threw it on there. I put all the air ducts and all that air box, everything back in. I'll show you guys the gaps. I spent about an hour on these today. Now there's no latches in this hood, so it's not sitting completely down, right? But not that you can really tell. But the gaps left to right. Let me see if I can get these in the camera. Oh, that little damage there was done in the accident, so I've got to repair that too. But yeah, there's our gap. Hopefully that's coming through. It's hard to see in the little screen. And then here's the one. This was our damaged side. Let me see if I can get these lined up. You can see, there you go. Yes, everything turned out great. That's pretty much it. That's it for an update. I just got to wait in a bumper. We'll do a quick test fit, and then we'll paint the 3 pieces, do a little repair on that fender. I'll probably glue the whole top of that fender in, and then I got to fix this door too. This is a scratch, non-accident related scratch. But what I'll do is I'll blend 2/3 of that door up. So that way we can capture this damage with paint, and we'll get rid of it. And let's see what else we got. Not too much left for parts. Just plastic wheel liners really, and then all the bumper bits. Grills, lower grills, fog lights, hood latch, or bonnet latch, whatever you're gonna call it. I had to get one of these because one of them was missing or broken. It's a little focus. It's a little thing for the windshield washers for the headlights. I gotta put the battery in it too. If you ever have to take a battery out on one of these, you're gonna be cursing because they're a freaking nightmare. It's like a 20-minute job to get the battery out. That's it. Again, I don't have my other camera, so this is my good camera, and I did decide to try the 4K. So I'm shooting this in 4K, but I forget the frames. I don't know, 30 or something. So I have no idea if the video will be better, worse. I mean, technically it should be better, but I don't know. It gets rendered down. Yeah, who knows? So that's it for an update. It'll be done pretty soon. Once my bumper comes, I just got to do the paint work, and then we're done here. I throw all the plastics back on, and bumper bumper reinforcer, and all that crap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a ton of work on this one. I got a new radiator, that's in. My AC's in, obviously. And I did pull a vacuum on the system, and I let it sit overnight, and it didn't move. It was 30 inches of vacuum, no bother. So all our seals are good. We don't have any leaks. I'll charge the system back up once I get the battery hooked up and the car running and all that other stuff. And the coolant, we're gonna do the coolant. We'll put that in with our vacuum filler. And I've ordered that. I've ordered a couple of jugs of coolant, that little plastic eyebrow thing for the headlight, and all the filters, oil and air and cabin and all that stuff. And that's it. Yeah, I mean this thing will be ready to go. Just when I get the bits painted. And I gotta wait in the weather and get the paint booth out. The paint booth is such a piece of crap. But yeah, that's it for an update, guys. Thanks for watching.